Hello guys, this is our first lesson. Let's learn biology, get curious and have fun with me. Today, we're gonna learn about scientific method. There are 6 steps in scientific method. Here they are. First step is observation. Observation is the first research activity to get information by using our sense organs, reading hot issues, or previous research based on our curiosity about phenomenon, some object, or situation. Okay, the second step is problem statement. It's time for us to show our curiosity by making questions using questioning keywords such as what, who, when, where, why, and how. So, by asking questions, you already making problem statement for your research. Based on your observation to the plants and situation in my greenhouse a few minutes ago, please give me your best questions using all questioning keywords, and I will keep them. Thank you. Before we continue to the next step, I will introduce to you about very essential term in research called variable. Variables are factors which can observe and measure. There are 3 kinds of variables in research. 1. Independent variables, 2. Dependent variables, and 3. Control variables that are constant and used as unchanging standard of comparison in scientific experiment. Okay, let's take example. If there are 3 plants with the same profile being planted in 3 different color of lights and stabilized at 25 degrees Celsius, we can determine all variables in this experiment. In this case, growth of plant playing role as dependent variable. Color of lights refer to independent variable. And the same temperature represented as control variable. 3. Hypothesis. Hypothesis is position or purpose explanation made on the basis of limited evidence as a starting point for further investigation. Commonly in research, there are 2 types of hypotheses termed as H1 and H0. based on the case, these are examples for H1 and H0. As you can see, hypothesis shows causality between independent variables and dependent variables. Well guys, for your information, in experiment there are two groups involved. The first group is group that is given treatments, and the second group we call control group. For this group, we give no treatment at all. For exploration. Exploration means to collect data as much as we need. We can explore in many ways such as doing experiment, simulation, survey, and digging information from literature. Well, don't worry guys, there are lots of sources we can use for doing literacy. Here they are. Five, data analysis and draw conclusion. After doing your marvelous exploration, it's time for you to check on the list of activity for step 5. I hope you found excellent way to remember all of them while doing your experiment. After converting your data into graphic or diagram, you can determine correlation between trend and literature. Then you can prove which hypothesis with strong evidence, write your scientific argumentation for struggling your hypothesis, and the last one is draw conclusion based on evidence. 6. Communication. Last step in scientific method is communication. This step which researchers share information about his or her proven hypothesis to society by writing journal, doing presentation, showing the research on exhibition or infographic poster. Before finish, please remember 6 steps of scientific method that we have learned. For ending the lesson, this is Albert Einstein's quote for you. Well, thank you for your attention. Arigatou gozaimasu.